multifaceted single-point solution provider for quality assurance of naval armament stores. Tasked with ensuring safe, reliable, serviceable and indigenous armaments for the Indian Navy, technologically advanced and self-reliant. With a motivated workforce of nearly 1,200 defence personnel. Successful to implement an integrated dynamic quality assurance model for armament stores across the Navy. This is the Naval Armament Inspection Organisation. With 75 years of dedication, hard work and excellence in service of the nation. In the first half of the 20th century, the Royal Navy took over the inspection and acceptance of naval armaments from the British Army. In 1929, the first Royal Navy Ordnance Inspectorate was established in Trincomalee, Ceylon, which controlled the inspection activities at Bombay and Visakhapatnam. Post-independence in 1948, the Indian Navy set up its inspection agency for naval ordnance and ammunition, thus giving birth to the Naval Armament Inspection or the NAI organization with headquarters in Bombay. On 11 November 1949, Major Lancelot Priestley of the Royal Army was appointed the first head of the NAI organization as the Deputy Inspector of Naval Ordnance or DINO. In 1951, the office of DINO was shifted to Naval Headquarters, New Delhi and was rechristened as the Directorate of Naval Armament Inspection or DNAI. In August 1997, DNAI was redesignated as Directorate General of Naval Armament Inspection or DGNAI, followed by the upgradation of DGNAI to rank of Rear Admiral in January 2002. Thereafter, to provide focused attention to indigenization of armament stores, an additional Directorate of Armament Production and Indigenization was created in 2016. Today, NAI organization is a potent, multifaceted, multi-spectrum organization undertaking integrated QA by providing inspection coverage to naval armament stores during its entire life cycle, from conceptualization, design and development, production, in-service surveillance, life extension and its final disposal. DGNAI has also been designated as the Safety Class Authority for Explosive and Ordnance towards promoting safety, reviewing regulations and procedures, issuing policy directives and conducting safety assessments. The spread of the Naval Armament Inspection Organisation has increased from a modest start from Trincomalee in 1929 to a total of 5 controllerates comprising 21 inspectorates and 4 NAI cells that are spread across the country. Co-located alongside services HQs, command and op authorities, naval armament depots, missile technical positions, DRDO, DPSUs, private industries, maintenance and user units. The Director Generals of the Naval Armament Inspection Organisation have long been supporters of innovation and research and development. They have been instrumental in the developments of QA activities, indigenization of weapons and supporting research efforts by harnessing new technologies and anticipating future needs. These needs have ranged from setting up explosive and non-explosive testing laboratories, championing static firing of various missile and rocket motors, founding the first radiography center among the 3 services, contributing to the development of new missile systems through MSQAA, to pushing forth QA of indigenous strategic missile systems as part of SSQAG, among many others. The objective remains unchanged. In 2024, Rear Admiral Rupak Barua was appointed the Director General of Naval Armament Inspection. His immediate mission was to ensure the NAI organization increased its focus on supporting the operational force of the Indian Navy.
The vision is to be single-point solution provider towards ensuring quality and reliability of naval armament stores for the Indian Navy. With the Indian Navy's vision to be self-reliant by 2047, impetus is being provided to achieve the goal of 100% indigenization in the fight category by harnessing our indigenous capacity and capabilities available with industry partners, academia and DRDO.
Today, the NAI is organized into various centers of excellence, with each center specializing in specific skill set. The NAI units are equipped with various state-of-the-art facilities towards ensuring that the fighting arm of the Indian Navy is combat ready at all times. In 1996, the Rocket Motor Static Firing Facility was set up to evaluate critical performance parameters of rocket motors of missiles and conventional armament by firing them in static conditions. This unique facility, with a state-of-the-art data acquisition system, sensors and instrumentation, is one of its kind among all the three services. NAI organization operates advanced explosive and non-explosive test laboratories at various locations. The endeavor is to support production and in-service requirements. To meet the radiography requirements of explosive warheads of depth charges, torpedoes, missiles, bombs, mines and other stores, state-of-the-art linear accelerator has been set up to ascertain their serviceability. The organization also has achieved self-reliance on undertaking proof of conventional ammunition ranging from 30 mm to 100 mm caliber with specialized proof guns. Education and training of both uniform and defense civilians are the critical components of DG NAI, and taking the lead is NAI Training Facility. The organization has also trained personnel from the Central Reserve Police Force towards undertaking QA management of their armament stores. These activities ensure that the NAI organization is credible in the quality management system of armament stores. In line with the nation's mandate of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the NAI organization, in association with DRDO, DPSUs and private industries, have indigenized various gunnery ammunition, rocket launchers and rockets, life-limiting items for torpedoes, missiles, guns and mechanical hardware. These initiatives of NAI have resulted in huge savings to Exchequer, besides making the Indian Navy self-reliant in the field of armaments. Indigenization cells have been created at various NAI units for undertaking focused indigenization activities of myriad naval armament stores. The day isn't far when the Indian Navy would be equipped with 100% indigenously manufactured armament stores. The NAI organization remains a cohesive force by providing assistance to sister services, by undertaking life extension of various armament stores of the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. QA coverage and technical expertise is also extended to the Indian Coast Guard. Women have always been an integral part of the NAI organization. The civilian workforce has been along the organization since its inception. Thereafter, the induction of women officers into NAI commenced in 2017. 10% of the workforce of the organization are women. The women officers and civilian personnel effectively contribute to production inspection, in-service surveillance, technical, human resources, armament repairs, quality control and much more. Following the motto of physical and mental fitness, personnel of the organization are regularly involved in various adventure activities: sailing, mountaineering, yoga, biking expeditions, indoor sports, and outdoor sports.
Today, the NAI organization has evolved over the years into a robust and dynamic QA organization, providing comprehensive solution to Indian Navy to be combat ready always and every time, backed by well-qualified and motivated workforce of service and civilian personnel. NAI organization has become self-sufficient by creating state-of-the-art armament testing infrastructure and adopting prevention-based dynamic QA architecture with the focused approach of ships first and ordnance on target. Today, NAI organization with its presence in DRDO, DPSUs and industry partners is relentlessly working towards a future-ready Indian Navy.
In the past 75 years, it is this goal combined with a dedicated workforce that has transformed the NAI organization into a technologically sound and self-reliant organization capable of rendering support to our naval forces with only one focus in mind: ensuring indigenization and quality of naval armament stores towards the protection of the nation's maritime interest. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow.
भारतीय नौसेना की
75 glorious years in service of the nation. This is the Naval Armament Inspection Organization.